How to check transaction history on Trust Wallet. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To check your transaction history on your Trust Wallet, firstly tap Open your Trust Wallet in your device. Now, tap Open on it. If you have not installed the application yet, you can easily download via your Play Store or App Store. Make sure that you have signed up for an account or log in using your credential in your Trust Wallet. So first step is to tap on the shield icon. Select on the tokens option. From here, select on the currency that from where you want to check the transaction history on. For an example, I've selected Ethereum. Then tap on the pending transaction under the today or the designated day. To check for the transaction history, you have to select on the option of pending transaction. From here, select on more details. From here, you'll be able to check out all of your transaction history in your Trust Wallet. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.